Unboxing. Mr. Beast Lag. Tiger, 6.5 inches collector figure. Panther, 6.5 inches collector figure. Which collector figure should I unbox first? Panther, Tiger. Panther, Tiger. Panther, Tiger. I will unbox the Tiger, 6.5 inches collector figure. The design of the box looks like the high security silver briefcase. Mr. Beast Lag. Tiger, 6.5 inches collector figure. Will you find the mystery platinum tiger? I really hope to get the mystery platinum tiger collector figure, keeping my fingers crossed. No, it's not the mystery platinum tiger collector figure. Oh, I love the design on the box. Let's take a closer look. Fun fact. There is only 10,000 mystery platinum tiger figure available across Series 1. The figure is attached tightly to the plastic insert, which makes it difficult to unbox. I don't want to damage the figurine. Did I broke the tail? Is this a defective disc? Finally, the tail is attached to the figurine. The jaw is adjustable. The arms are adjustable too. The other side too. The wings are adjustable too. Pretty impressive. The arm is rotatable. The other side too. The wrist can only adjust slightly. Do you like it? Leave in the comment below. I love to hear from you. Let's unbox the Mr. Beast Black Panther 6.5 inches collector figure. I hope to get the Mr. Beast Black Mystery Golden Panther collector figure. The design of the box looks like the high security silver briefcase. Panther is the Mr. Beast logo design icon. I am expecting the figure to look better than the tiger design. Let's find out. Fun fact. There is only 10,000 Mystery Golden Panther figure available across Series 1. I hope to get the Mr. Beast Black Mystery Golden Panther collector figure. No, it's not the Mystery Golden Panther figure. I bought another one to try my luck. I hope this is the lucky box. I really want the Mr. Beast Black Golden Panther collector figure. No, it's not the Mystery Golden Panther figure. Let's unbox this Mr. Beast Black 6.5 inches Panther collector figure. The Panther design looks similar as the tiger design. Let's do a comparison. Can you spot the difference? Similar as the tiger design, it's difficult to detach the figure from the plastic insert. If I use more force, I am afraid that the figure will be broken. Did I broke the tail again? Oh, it's meant to be DIY. Do it yourself. The tail has to be attached manually. For a moment, I thought I broke the figure again. This is so embarrassing. Finally, the tail is attached to the figurine. The jaw is adjustable. The arms are adjustable too. The arm is rotatable. The wrist can only adjust slightly. Both the arms are adjustable. The arm is rotatable. Let's check the back. The wings are adjustable too. Pretty impressive. Please remember to smash the like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell to be among the first to watch our video. Can you spot the difference? Which design do you prefer? Is it the tiger design or the panther design? Leave in the comment below. I love to hear from you. Honestly, I am disappointed with the design of the panther. I think tiger looks better. Don't you agree? If you like our unboxing video, please share it with your family and friends. Let's have some fun.